best bonus of all time. Triple pop. Come on. Those two pops, let's go. I'll pop that one too. Go. Do wheel, more wheels. Yes. Big. Plus 3. Okay. You. Oh. I'll go in. 3 more games. We like it. Grand, please. More coins. Oh yeah, that's nice. More. Okay. G. Okay. R and D. All we need is R, N, and D. Look up again. R and D. Many coins. 2 again. Okay. Multiplier. R. Please ND one time. Research and development ND, please. N. Wrong N. We need red N. Major is fine. Green. Okay. More than 2. Okay, more than 2. On 2 games. I'll take it. Oh my god, just 1 green J, please. 1 green J. Oh. Oh. And it wasn't O. Green J. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 2 of them, come on. A lot. Okay, and 2, okay. Let's get a 5-pack, please. Bonus boost. Minor boost. Okay, so now that one is a little more. Super boost. Super is bigger. Mini boost. Let's please collect all of them. Is the major gonna get boosted? Okay. We're all glowing over there. Wheel. Wheel, please. We have 14 free games. We need to get some of these. Wheel, yes. I am looking up, thank you. Green J. Oh, again, okay. Okay. Double boost? It's going up by 20. You think it would be doubled or something, but... Okay, R. What is that? +1 game. Alright, we're gonna need some magic. I mean, we still have... Wheel. Please, no more of those. No more of those. We're one away from all of those up there, people. Any letter pretty much except for a grand is what we need. I mean, we want the grand, of course. Please. Okay. Oh. Literally any letter we get is gonna get us something. No, don't do that again. Don't do that again. Wheel. Please don't do money. Okay, we got the minor, 120. We like it. Okay, that was great, but we're gonna need to get some more of these. How much are we betting? $2? By the way, we're at Aria. Guys, we have 14 free games. Can we get one red D? Give me the D. Give me the DJ. Hey, DJ. I usually push buttons during bonus rounds. I'm not pushing anything to make sure the grand is given to us because we don't want to rush them, you know? One red D. Oh my god, one red D. One, don't do those again. Oh, P. Oh, look at the super, 150 now. Okay, keep it counting. Is this the greatest bonus round? I mean, I've seen people play this game a lot, but I've never played it myself, so now I see why everyone likes it. Guys, I was gonna go to the ATM, but I had $15 in my pocket, so I just put in $15 and I started betting $2. And this is a machine that I just saw it said somebody won, and you know, I just saw it said like collected 150 or something, or won 150. Oh, so I showed on a machine that someone just won big on, or whatever. Oh, okay, let's just do it. I mean, it's good those things got boosted. Now let's just please. I don't want to be too greedy. Just a green J. This is crazy. I put in 15 bucks and I was betting $2. I have a 100x bonus. It is the greatest slot machine ever made. Thank you, Aria. I'm not pushing anything. If I push something, it's gonna mess the machine up, guys. That's how it works, right? If I push the button, the equations and the calculations and all the RNG inside of it is gonna mess up. Please, let's get, well done, thank you. Please, let's get at least a green or a red letter. A green or a red letter, please. Oh yes, one more would be great. Green or a red letter. I will go nuts. Okay, that's great. 2 games, yes, people, this is crazy. P for PP, no, none of those. Green, okay. It gave us a lot already, but I hope it doesn't think that was enough, right? Now here we have a chance down here. And sorry, I'm recording it in selfie mode. Oh, what is it? I'm recording in selfie mode because I thought it was gonna be a short reel, but very long, 15 more games, I'm fine with it. Wheel. Please, anything green or red. Anything green or red. Oh, the wheel, that's fine. Okay, good. Green. How random would it be to get a hand pay on this right now? Wheel, yes, green. Let's get many more coins and many more games. Two games, okay, 2 plus 2. Oh, we just was so excited, but we need to hit something in here. Come on, machine. Any more J's? M. Okay, well, I mean, we can spell one of those again if that's necessary. I would love to get the major. Don't leave us hanging. Okay, 1 game, we like it. 2 away from minor now. Letters. Oh my god, we got the major! Yes! Yes, people! Oh my god. We got a hand pay? Oh my god, this is ridiculous, people. I just put in my last $15. I was gonna go to the ATM, but let me just try this 15. The universe and everything was telling me to sit on this machine. Usually it leaves you hanging with that one more. Oh my god, make this the greatest video ever. Aria Casino, make this the best. Put that red D, give me that red D. I mean, I would have felt so thankful if we just won that 300 or whatever it was. I'm like, okay, this is cool and some more fun and some more content. But to actually collect on that one, that big boy right there, I was just playing a poker tournament over here for $800 and I just got a super ridiculous bad beat. So I just got that money back, which is absolutely ridiculous. Thank you, slot gods. Oh my goodness, people. Like, we've seen this so many times where it fills up just one of them. It fills up, it just went away from all those other ones. And then you just like leave like, oh my goodness, guys, we got a hand pay on a $2 bill, $15. This is the greatest video of all time. We got the mini too, why not? Why not? Okay. All right, people, we got all of them except for, you know, the big boy on top. My goodness, people. We got the most random hand pay and I feel so fortunate. This might be the greatest. Look how much I have left. Look how much. I put in 15 bucks because I was too lazy to walk to the ATM. Guys, we won every single. What day is it today? It's Monday, June. Oh, sorry, it's Monday. Something, I don't know. Oh my God, imagine if like the red D just randomly shows up. Come on, red D. Give us chances. Yes. Okay, we have chances. Okay, what is that? Okay, one game, we like it. I, Captain. Okay, let's get some more wheels, please. Let's get some more wheels, please. Oh my God, I'm like sweating every moment. I don't even know. I just want to see a red D. If one of the other ones fills up, then that's sick. But I'm just looking for that red D right now. Just, is this the moment? It filled it up so early. We have a chance, people. Wheel, red D, most random red D. Okay, major again. We're set to 750, so red D in one of you. Okay, let's just do that one again. That's fine. Okay, 3 away from the major, 1 away from the super, 1 away from the mini. We are fine with this right now, but wheel, don't die on us now. Red D in one of you. Okay, we don't need those $2 ones, but they were nice in the beginning, but now. Red D and you, solo red D. Solo red D. It might be just by itself, you know? Red D, red D. Mini again, okay. Well, it was great that they all got boosted, right? Guys, I was just like, I just busted that tournament and I was like, oh, am I gonna play another one? So I was just playing over there, playing over here, a little bit of Wheel of Fortune, just trying to like decompress. And then I was like, okay, I got wrecked. So I just came back over here to see what's gonna happen. And $1,300 here. This is crazy, people. We're 1 away from that D. Is it gonna happen? Is it gonna happen? Let's get some more games. I didn't push one button. Here's the new technique. Don't push the button during the bonus round, even if you lost a lot and you're, oh, that could have been it, I didn't even realize it. Okay, we're 1 away from the minor, 1 away from the super. More coins. Coins are huge here. We'll give you a chance for something. Coins, coins, wheel, wheel, D. Oh, I thought it was like a slow reveal. I thought it was gonna give it to us. Red D, red D, red D. No, no more of those. It may be done, but let's get one more minor or super. We boosted it up all this way. 5 more games. The most ridiculous. Oh my God! I got 1 more for the 2 more for the major. Sorry. Wheel. Oh, we did get the super. Nice. Okay. Now I feel a little more satisfied. I don't want to leave any of these like bigger ones. Anytime you can get a bonus round like this, you gotta be greedy. Like, wow, that was crazy. What did it even start on? We started with just the purple one popped. I think just the purple one popped, and then we re-triggered the 2 other ones inside of here. This is probably my new favorite game of all time. I am just randomly in the corner of Aria, right next to like the beautiful, you'll see, like back there, the what do they call it? The check-in area. My goodness, people. This is crazy. Can we get the major again? Imagine, just 1J again. 1J again. J or D? DJ. Hey, DJ. Hey, DJ. How many games? We have 3 more games. We haven't gotten a wheel for a long time. Hey, DJ. Hey, Mr. DJ. Oh, that could have been it. I didn't even realize. There was another one. Hey, DJ. Okay, there's a chance. D or J? Oh my God. Oh, sorry. I keep saying J. Oh my God, I'm blind. Now a J. Sorry. We were 2 away. Now let's do it again. Oh my goodness. Wheel. Okay. What is that? No. Okay. Okay. That one game. Let's see what happens. Wheel. Random. Oh my God. D. Oh, minor. Yes, we got that one too. Nice. I didn't realize we're 1 away from there. People were at $1,600 from $15 inserted. This is an amazing consolation prize after the most ridiculous poker tournament. So the plan all along was for us to boost all of these and get them all. So thank you, you beautiful machine. The grand, I mean, where does it start at? 5,000? 8,000? It should hit right now, right? Imagine the grand on the last spin. Grand or major on the last spin, people. Hitting it before, I'm on like a cloud 9 right now. Let's get 1 wheel. We need a lot of coins here, including a lot of wheels, including a lot of other stuff too. So we have a nice shot of something or other. Okay. Oh my God, the one most random free game. Come on, please, let it be magic. Wheel. Wheel, we have a chance. J. Oh my God, the one, guys, it's teasing us. Look at the suspense. 1 more game, just 1 more D. Okay. I mean, that was funny. It kept elongating it like we thought it was gonna happen, but that is absolutely splendid. If I do so say so myself. I mean, to hit that major when it was, what was it, at 8? Look at this one, how big this one is. Wow. I mean, if I sat trying to get that one, there's a huge chance that I wouldn't have gotten it. I just sat, the universe told me to sit over here, right? This was the machine, this was the time. I wasn't greedy for that 14, instead I won the 875 or whatever it was over here. That was crazy. Oh my goodness. All right, they're gonna put some money in my hand. I'm gonna be excited. Thanks for watching, my friends. $15, $2 bet. Wow, that was so unexpected. Thanks for watching. What a great video.